Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. In today's video we are again gonna learn some really beautiful and awesome drawings. Starting off with the first drawing of today's video, you can learn how to make a girl who is facing in the back side. She has beautiful braided hairs, as you can see for drawing the following drawing. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, we will learn how to make two apples just by drawing the number 5 and then adding some steps to it according to the video. Moving on to the next one of today's video, you can learn how to make a girl's hand and his beautiful fingers with big nails on it, and we'll sketch the nails as shown in the video, and we'll draw some flowers in the background to make it more beautiful. Moving on to the next one of today's video, we can learn how to make a really beautiful dress as shown in the video. We will start by drawing the collar and then the body part of the dress, and then we'll make the skirt, which is down part of the dress. Thank you for watching the video.